Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the vtech Latches and Doors Busy Board, which is an amazing toy for kids of age 12 months to 3 years, and it's an interactive toy which will keep your toddler busy for long hours of time away from the screen, and they will be learning a lot. And before I go on to the description, please like and subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family. Okay, this toy requires 3 AA batteries. It has got 2 modes. This is the on-off button, and this is the button for volume. There is 2 volume buttons. I will on it on the first mode.
What's behind the windows and doors? Open one to find out.
Okay, kids will build motor skills while opening and closing the doors.
There is one train. Have a good day. It's playtime. All aboard.
So they will learn many phrases. This is door number 2.
The fish are swimming in the bowl. Bye-bye, fish. There are 2 fish. 1, 2. Bye-bye, fish. 3 puppies are in the doghouse. Bye-bye, puppies. Let's count the puppies. 1, 2, 3.
So they will be learning so many phrases, and it's totally interactive. For this one, they will have to twist and unlock this one, and they will learn numbers.
Hey, party time. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I personally like this one very much. It's so nice.
Yummy.
This is such a lovely toy. For this one, there is a key so that the kids can learn how to put the key and how they can unlock the door. This is open,
Nice.
and this is
See you
locked.
later.
So if I open this,
Can you count the people? 1, 2, 3, 4. See you later. Nice to see you, family. See you
Oh.
later.
there is a switch because kids are very much concerned about turning the switches on and off. This is lovely. They can turn it.
Now the light is on. Now the light is off. On. Off.
Okay, now I will go to the second mode, which is the music mode. In this mode, there will be music. Okay, these 3 buttons. So all in all, I will give a thumbs up for this amazing toy. It keeps my toddler busy for many hours because there is learning of numbers from 1 to 5. They learn how to count. There is 1 train, there are 2 fishes, there's 3 puppies, there's 5 cupcakes, there's 4 family, and then they learn the ABC from this button, 1 2 3 till 5, this one, and this is a song button, and it's really nice. So I would highly recommend all the moms to please buy this for your kids. They will definitely love it, and it will build their motor skills, it will build their memory, and it will increase their vocabulary also because of the phrases that this toy makes. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching my channel for further reviews on other interactive toys. Thank you.